Another person who just became a millionaire. There's starting to be a ton of them these days. Wow. Wait, what? I can earn $10,000 by doing simple stuff? Now this is more to my liking. Let me try this out. After all, I could use the money.
1 minute later.
Oh no, I think I just got scammed. I knew I shouldn't have clicked on these fake ads. Although I do still need another way to make money. But what though? Let me think a bit.
A few inches later.
Oh, I got it. I know somebody who can help me. Duh, Jenny. She's good people. I'm confident I can rely on her, especially when it comes to making a lot of money online. Although, I'm hoping she's available and free. Let's call her.
Later.
Hey Jenny, what's going on? It's been a while.
Hey Shelly, you seem to be a lot more energized today. What made you call me this time?
Well, you know, I just haven't talked to you in a while, and I just wanted to see what's going on. I'm totally thrilled that you answered the phone though.
You know I'm always here for you, Shelly. What is it I can help you with?
You might actually laugh at me, but I just lost a lot of money due to a scam. So I was wondering if you had any additional ways that I could make money online. That's legit. I could use it now. Badly.
You're lucky you're here. Since I'm at home right now, I'll be able to demonstrate another unusual method I've found that will enable you to quickly and easily make a large sum of money. Would you like that, Shelly?
Heck yeah! Can we do it right now?
Sure, Shelly. Let me now log onto my computer so that I can show you everything. I'll see you later, Shelly.
See ya. I'm so thrilled about this. Hey friends, how's it going? Listen, we're gonna get straight into the video. I just wanted to pop in here and ask you a question. Let me know if you're liking me and Jenny. I've been doing a whole lot more teaching affiliate marketing, so I figured this way it gives you a little bit of mix so you can learn a little bit of different ways to make money online and be entertained at the same time, right? So let me know if you're liking it, and let's get into the video. Woo!
Hello, Shelly. Do you hear me well now?
Everything's fine, Jenny.
Wonderful. Let's begin right away. As a result, the strategy you'll use today will involve earning money through article writing, as well as concentrating on a particular website that supports it. And we'll also be combining a few other websites. I'll show you a website and a method you can use to make a lot of money. So I'm confident you'll figure out how to do it correctly and earn the most money possible with the aid of my advice.
That's so cool, Jenny. Can we go to the website now? I'm really intrigued about it. Well, technically, not only me. Right, guys?
Sure thing, Shelly. Let me show it to you now. So the first platform we'll use is called Seo Clerks, which can be found at seoclerks.com. And this is a marketplace where regular people like you and me can buy and sell a variety of freelancing services, including voiceovers, business card designs, logo designs, graphic design services, banner advertisements, article writing, email newsletters, writing presentations, and much more. So don't worry, you won't have to finish any of the services since, as I previously stated, you won't have to work and you'll still be able to profit from this method on autopilot.
That is so cool, Jenny. What is it you said that we're going to do with this new method?
Let me elaborate further. So for today, Shelly, what we will be focusing on is article writing. So if you go to article writing right here, it will then bring you to a page wherein you will see that people are selling this service and making money. For example, this person got this amount of sales for this price, and a lot of this vary a lot. Just keep in mind that a lot of people are selling over here at Seo Clerks.
Whoa! That is so amazing. Is this website going to be the only one we focus on, Jenny?
Of course not. I also have another one for you. And judging from your reaction, I'm sure you're eager to know it.
Well, you know I am. Let's show it to me.
Sure thing, Shelly. Let me get to it right away. Furthermore, Shelly, I also have a website for you called Fiverr, which is similar to Seo Clerks and can be found linked in your bio and in the description below. This is another significant freelance marketplace where a wide range of individuals offer a range of services. Fiverr is far more competitive than SEO Clerks, and there are a lot of people offering their services on Fiverr, which results in more customers and fierce competition. On SEO Clerks, however, there is a demand for a variety of services as well, but there is less competition because there aren't many people offering their services and even fewer people adopting this tactic. Because of this, I adore it so much. However, since I want you to put article writing services for sale, you could utilize a variety of freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on, if you really want to improve your results. The best thing about it is that nothing needs to be written, and it will all be done for you.
I am loving this so far. Jenny, tell me more. You keep on giving me more free tools, Jenny. You truly are the best.
You got it, Shelly. So rather than completing the work yourself, you can simply visit writesonic.com to finish the task and actually have those articles published. WriteSonic's AI tool will create an article for you that is up to 1,500 words long that you can then copy and paste to your customer to offer your article writing services. You can do this as many times as you want, and it will never run out of words. What you want to do now is select AI article and blog writer, and then you will be brought to this page. And choose the AI article writer 3.0, which is the most recent and effective version. As you can see, there are 4 steps to doing this. So step 1, just copy and paste the topic that your client requests into this box and select Generate Ideas. This tool will start to come up with several ideas for you. Step 2 is to generate an intro. So basically, just create the title that your client wants and click Generate Intros, and it will create an introduction for you. Next is step 3, getting an outline. And again, put the title here and then input the article or blog intro and hit the Generate Outlines button. And lastly, for step 4, simply click Create an Article and they will produce a whole article for you. Following that, you may simply press a button to copy the article, which you can then submit to your customer to start earning money. Well, that is truly the simplest choice. It's similar to getting a sale for which someone paid $10 and then returning here to deliver the product after pressing a single button.
But Jenny, I have a question. How can I attract thousands of clients so I can generate income?
I knew you would ask about that. Let me show you, Shelly. So the thing with this SEO articles is that once you find someone who has a website, manages numerous blogs, operates a blog business, or has multiple blogs, you don't always need to be recruiting new clients. They will appreciate it if they really want your services and how quickly you deliver them. They will purchase several blog posts repeatedly each day from only one person. There will be a lot of people who would like a lot of blog articles if they like them. And since they need blog content, they will start out by ordering just 1 or 2, but if they enjoy it, they'll order many more. You may be asking yourself why they don't just utilize WriteSonic themselves, as they can do so easily. The problem is that many of them don't really know about it. Therefore, they are ignorant of WriteSonic's existence. A few individuals are aware that WriteSonic even exists. So what you need to do is create a YouTube channel where you promote the service you wish to sell. In this instance, that will be your blog post, article authoring, and other similar things.
Oh my goodness, I do have one though, which I suggest you must subscribe right now.
I love it, Shelly. Always finding ways to promote your channel.
Of course, if I see an opportunity, I'm going to take advantage of it, you know?
I really do. So another great thing is that you don't need a lot of views because you may still end up with a large number of clients because those clients are experiencing high traffic. Imagine making thousands of dollars from a single person or $1,000 per month from a specific customer. That kind of traffic is like actual clients who will need those services, so many people will definitely click that link and order the service from you. So you don't really have to execute the work yourself, and you would just need 10 people to effectively relax. And as I mentioned earlier, YouTube automation is essentially the best way to drive traffic to anything, particularly to services like those offered by Fiverr, Seo Clerks, or other freelancing websites. It's actually the best way to discover clients since they are so well targeted. And it saves you money from having to spam other people to locate clients. Simply specify the kind of videos you desire and they will produce them. You just need to provide a link in the description to attract customers. And after you get a sale, outsource that to writesonic.com. It does take some effort to really put things up and work everything out, but it can definitely pay off.
Wow, Jenny, just wow. This is yet another cool and fun way to earn money. You never cease to amaze me.
Well, what are friends for, right?
I love it. You truly are one of a kind of friend. I'll surely make sure that I make it up to you the next time that I see you. Take care out there, okay?
I will be taking note of that, Shelly. I'll surely see you soon. Bye!
Bye, Jenny. See you soon. All right, friends, did you like that? If you could do me a favor and like the video, because it lets me know that you like the video and it also helps the algorithm. Also, if you like seeing stuff like this, don't forget you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. That way you get all of the notifications and you don't ever miss a video when it comes out. You have to admit, that's pretty cool, right? I mean, that's some really cool stuff that, you could go on and make money online, and if you're wanting to invest in yourself, it gives you a way where you could go for free and make money and then turn around and use that money to invest in yourself, which, by the way, you have got to go check out the first link in my bio. It goes into a 2-hour free training, so make sure you set the time aside. But it's the closest thing to a guarantee that has to do with affiliate marketing that I have ever seen. Ever. So it's not for everybody, so see if it's up your alley and go check it out. It's the first link in the bio. And then we're going to go to the next video, because if you liked this one, then you're going to like this one too. And you know what? It's going to be another one with me and Jenny. See you there, because I'm in it.